Hey, what's up guys? My name's Preston Shamblen. I'm a certified pool operator here in Texas. I run a pool cleaning business, and as you can see right now, I'm at a pretty big pool. It's actually a really wide pool, and your 16-foot poles that you get at the store simply do not cut it. They leave areas that you're never going to be able to reach unless you get in there, which is exactly what I was doing. So instead of that, I had this pole made, which is a 3K carbon fiber pole. And this pole expands to 26 feet. It has 4 sections, which are controlled via these 3 quick releases. Unlike the aluminum pole, it's never gonna jam up and get like really hard to open or close because it's not malleable. It's not gonna scratch up in the same way. It may be flexible when you extend it, but it's not gonna bend like a metal pole. Okay, let me show you how far this thing really goes. Isn't that wild? This pool is also very long, and this thing can go all the way across it. It's made my job so much easier, and I love having this thing around. This thing actually, when collapsed, fits in my RAV4. There are actually other carbon fiber pole companies out there, but they wanted $500. That's why I had this thing custom made, and that's why now I'm gonna list it for sale to you guys for $300. Free shipping. First orders may take a little bit longer because I just got this and I'm just now getting started, and they'll be fulfilled in the order they are placed. So if you want one, go to carbonfiberpoolpole.com.